In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall email in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever hit send and immediately spotted a mistake, this walkthrough will show you the practical way to fix it in Outlook on the web by quickly resending a corrected version. Traditional message recall has strict limits and isn't available in Outlook on the web, so this method is the fastest, most reliable approach to get the right information in front of your recipients. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. If you're taken to the Microsoft homepage or asked to sign in, go ahead and sign in, then switch to mail so you're in your inbox. Once you're in, look to the left navigation and open sent items. This is where all the messages you've already sent are stored. Find the message you need to correct, then double-click it to open it fully in its own window. Opening it this way gives you access to more options than the quick preview. At the top of the message window, look for the three dots, sometimes labeled More Actions, and click them to expand the full menu. From there, choose Advanced Actions to reveal additional tools specific to this message. Select Resend Message. Outlook will create a new draft that contains the original recipient's subject line and message body. This is your opportunity to correct any errors, add missing information, or update attachments. Take a moment to proofread, verify the to CC and BCC fields, and confirm that any files are the right versions. A helpful touch is to add a short line at the top of the message like updated version, please disregard the previous email, so your recipients immediately understand what changed. When everything looks good, click send. Your corrected message goes out right away, placing the most accurate version at the top of your recipients' inboxes. While this doesn't remove the original email, it effectively replaces it in practice by clearly signaling the update and ensuring people see the corrected information first. A few quick tips as you use this workflow. Timing matters, so resend as soon as you notice an issue. If the mistake was significant, consider following up with a brief note to key recipients to confirm they've seen the updated version. And for the future, building a short buffer into your sending routine, like pausing to review attachments and names, can help prevent the need to resend. That's it. By opening your sent message, using More Actions, choosing Advanced Actions, and selecting Resend Message, you can quickly correct and resend an email in Outlook on the web with confidence.